Considering diving into the world of Python? Your choice of Python editor, .py editor, can make all the difference. What if your coding environment perfectly understood your Pythonic needs, from syntax to execution? These specialized editors offer features tailored for Python development. Smart indentation, syntax highlighting, robust debugging tools, and often seamless integration with package managers like pip. Users often praise their ability to streamline the development process, catching syntax errors on the fly and offering intelligent code completion that understands Python's dynamic nature. The focus on Python-specific functionalities can significantly boost productivity, making complex tasks feel simpler and more intuitive. Many appreciate the clean, focused interface, designed specifically for Python's unique syntax. However, some users find the initial setup for certain advanced features or extensions can be a bit of a learning curve, especially for those new to the Python ecosystem. Performance might occasionally dip with very large projects or extensive third-party library integrations. While powerful for Python, they might not offer the same broad language support as more general-purpose code editors, which would be a minor drawback for polyglot developers. What's your thought?